strap in because we're diving into the coolest, most game-changing car gadgets that will upgrade your ride like never before. From next-level security to smart tech that keeps you safer on the road, these innovations are built to make driving smarter, smoother, and way more exciting. Whether you're a gearhead, a road trip warrior, or just love a well-equipped car, these gadgets are about to blow your mind. You're loading up your truck, but instead of all your gear sliding around like a chaotic mess, everything is perfectly mounted, secured, and within reach. That's exactly what the BUILTRIGHT bedside rack system brings to the table. It's rugged, modular, and ridiculously practical, turning your truck bed into a military-grade storage command center. Whether it's tools, recovery gear, or even a first aid kit, you can mount literally anything using its MOLLE-style panels. And the best part? No drilling required. You just clamp it on, and boom, you've got an ultra-organized truck bed that makes you look like a tactical genius. Gone are the days of digging for your gear or watching your essentials roll around like they're on a road trip of their own. If you want to upgrade your truck's functionality in the smartest way possible, this is a no-brainer. FIA Winter Front Bug Screen. Ever hit the highway and watched bugs turn your grill into a crime scene? Or worse, winter freezes your engine solid? That's where the FIA Winter Front Bug Screen steps in, like a bodyguard for your truck. This thing is built for extreme weather, keeping your engine warm in winter and your radiator bug-free in summer. It installs effortlessly. No tools, no headache. Just clip it on, and you've got instant protection against the elements. Not only does it boost fuel efficiency in cold weather by keeping your engine at optimal temps, but it also saves you from constantly cleaning dead insects off your grill. If you're serious about keeping your truck in peak condition, this is one upgrade you'll wish you got sooner. Imagine this. You and your crew are ready to hit the trails, but instead of awkwardly cramming bikes into your trunk, like a game of Tetris, you've got the AXEON Pro Cycling 9 bike rack. This beast securely holds up to 9 bikes, and we're not talking wobbly, nerve-wracking transport. This thing is rock solid on the road. Whether you're cruising to a mountain trail or hitting a race event, you'll love how quick and easy it is to load and unload. The rack tilts for full trunk access, is built like a tank, and keeps your high-end bikes safe from scratches and damage. If you're a serious cyclist or just love road trips with the whole squad, this is the ultimate bike rack, because struggling with bungee cords and broken racks is so last decade. The equipment lock. Now, this is the Fort Knox of security locks. Whether you're locking down your trailer, heavy machinery, or work truck, the equipment lock is designed to stop thieves dead in their tracks. Built from hardened steel, this thing is an absolute tank. No bolt cutters, crowbars, or even power tools are getting through it. It's quick to install, easy to use, and a total game changer for anyone who values their equipment. Think about it. One stolen piece of gear could cost you thousands, so why take the risk? If you want peace of mind on the job site or when parking overnight, this is hands down one of the best investments you'll ever make. All right, buckle up, because VALEO eCruise 4U isn't just another hybrid. It's like your car just got a PhD in futuristic driving. Imagine cruising down the highway, and instead of constantly adjusting speed, braking, and accelerating, the car does it for you. This system blends the efficiency of a hybrid engine with automated driving technology, meaning you get insane fuel savings while your car practically drives itself in stop-and-go traffic. It automatically adapts to speed limits, traffic flow, and even terrain, So whether you're crawling through the city or hitting the open road, it keeps things buttery smooth. Plus, it's designed to work on both EV and traditional vehicles, making it the ultimate step towards self-driving tech. If you've ever dreamed of a stress-free, futuristic commute, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. STEDI Type X Evo 7 Mini LED driving lights. Night drives just got a game-changing upgrade. The STEDI Type X Evo 7 Mini LED driving lights are not just bright, they're next-level insane. These compact powerhouses throw out a beam so sharp and wide, it feels like you're driving under stadium lights. And the best part? They're built like absolute tanks, IP68 waterproof, shock-resistant, and designed to withstand the roughest off-road conditions. Whether you're tearing through the trails, battling heavy fog, or just want to light up the road like daylight, these LEDs deliver unmatched clarity without blinding oncoming drivers. Installation? Plug-and-play simple. Durability? Rock solid. Once you bolt these on, you'll never want to drive in the dark without them again. Imagine turning one parking spot into 3. That's exactly what the BENDPAK HD 973P triple stacker does. It's the ultimate space-saving garage upgrade for collectors, mechanics, or anyone sick of playing musical chairs with their cars. This beast is engineered to stack 3 full-sized vehicles safely and effortlessly, thanks to ultra-reinforced steel and a powerful hydraulic system. And here's the kicker. It's low profile enough to fit inside most standard garages without breaking a sweat. Whether you're a gearhead with too many toys or just want to maximize storage space, this lift turns your garage into a professional-grade showroom. If you've ever dreamed of owning a legit automotive workshop in your own home, this is the upgrade that makes it happen. This isn't just a speaker. It's a piece of automotive art. The Porsche 911 soundbar takes an actual rear exhaust system from a 911 GT3 and transforms it into one of the most powerful, high-end sound systems you'll ever hear. We're talking deep, guttural bass that rumbles like a revving engine and crystal-clear highs that make every note feel alive. It's Bluetooth-enabled, sleek, and engineered to absolute perfection, just like the car it came from. Whether you're a pop Porsche fanatic or just someone who appreciates jaw-dropping design, this soundbar is pure luxury meets high-octane performance. Imagine watching a race or blasting your favorite playlist through an actual piece of a Porsche GT3. Yeah, it's that cool. Ever had that sinking feeling when a tire suddenly loses pressure on the highway? That's exactly what the Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor is here to prevent. This isn't your typical TPMS. It's a real-time guardian angel for your tires, detecting slow leaks before they become a disaster. The moment your tire pressure drops, boom, you get an instant alert on your phone, helping you avoid blowouts, bad fuel economy, and expensive repairs. And let's talk about installation. It's stupidly easy. Just screw on the sensors, plug in the receiver, and you're rolling with military-grade tire safety tech. Plus, it even analyzes tire temperature and pressure trends so you can stay ahead of potential problems. If you love your car and your safety, this is one gadget you can't afford to skip. All right, truck owners, this is the ultimate tonneau cover you've been waiting for. The back REVOLVER X Force is like a superhero shield for your truck bed, offering hardcover level security with the convenience of a soft roll-up. That means you get 100% full bed access when you need it, but when it's closed, it's virtually impenetrable. Whether you're hauling expensive tools, camping gear, or just want to keep prying eyes off your cargo, this thing's got you covered, literally. It's weatherproof, scratch-resistant, and built with industrial-strength aluminum slats that lock in place automatically. And the best part? No annoying Velcro or snaps. Just a clean, flush fit that looks factory-installed. If you want style, security, and durability all in one, this cover is the king of truck bed protection. And that's a wrap, folks. If you love these insane car gadgets, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the coolest next-level car upgrades. More awesome reviews and game-changing gear coming your way. So stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe and stay upgraded.